Hello, this is Mike with SkipperBud's. I'm going to give you a brief tour of the 2011 Manitou 25 Xplode tri-toon with Evinrude 250 HO. That's a 250 horsepower two-stroke outboard. I'll walk around the back. Comes with a tandem axle trailer. The damage on this boat is just this here. Not bad. It's got rear-facing speakers, upgraded with infinity sound system with 2 subwoofers. It's got the full underskin. It's got a full playpen cover as well. All in good shape. All right, inside the Manitou 25 Xplode tri-toon, you have nice long bench seating at the bow with storage underneath all the seats. You can see the infinity speakers are upgraded all the way around the boat. Center tune storage. You got some rod holders built into your door on the side, more storage. Again, underneath all the seats, spot for a garbage can. Underneath the helm, nice beefy captain's chair. It's got a depth gauge as well. Hour meter. Has a bimini top. It's a manual bimini. You have a battery switch, couple batteries. And of course you have your ski tow and your rear facing speakers. This is a nice tri-toon. No tables for the boat. Rated for 13 people maximum. So give us a holler and come check out this nice tri-toon. Have a great day.